Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about what I picked up during the Sephora sale. Now, if you didn't know, Sephora just recently did their spring sale. Depending on which level you are in their rewards program, you got a certain percentage off for a certain amount of time. A lot of people who shop Sephora get really excited around this time of year because they do get to save a little bit of money when Sephora only offers that usually twice a year. So before we dive in, be sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share button. I do try to post a video every week, and let's get into it. So I had to be a little more tame this year because I'm getting married next year and trying to save money in the makeup skincare department. After you watch this video, be sure to let me know what you picked up, but let me start with a refill item because those aren't as exciting. I did get a refill of the Tarte Knockout Tingling treatment. Now, I do use my Too Cool for School pumpkin peel pads every night now, but sometimes they're not strong enough because I am a little more used to strong exfoliating products. So I have used this in the past. I don't know where my current one is. This is what it looks like. I will use this a few nights a week. I don't typically use it in the morning because it does make my skin a little more sensitive, but I use it a couple nights a week to help keep up with exfoliation, pores. It says formulated to exfoliate, balance, and minimize the appearance of pores. I do believe it does that. You put a little bit on a cotton pad and kind of sweep it up your neck and around the rest of your face, kind of avoiding the eye area. It's a 10% acid complex, so if your skin is a little more on the sensitive side, you might be like, whoa, a little scary, but once you get used to the products, it's not so bad. Powerful pH rebalancing blend of salicylic and lactic acids to help renew and resurface the appearance of skin. After cleansing, moisten cotton ball with the treatment, sweeping motion beginning with the décolleté raised toward neck and face, avoiding eyes, which is pretty much exactly what I said earlier. Some of you would maybe consider this a refill. I got the next darkest shade of the First Aid Beauty Bendy Avocado Concealer. I do have the lightest shade here. I've mentioned it before. This is shade 1, and I do really love this concealer, but I wanted one that was a little bit, hopefully, closer to my skin tone, so when I'm not trying to lighten my complexion with my concealer, I can go in with this one and hopefully do some like spot correcting. Flexible, nourishing concealer, safe for sensitive skin, allergy tested, fragrance free, really good for those of you who are sensitive. So let's take a look here. They look extremely similar to each other. Here's number 1. Pretty light. So let's take a look at shade number 2. And I'll put them a little closer so you guys can see them as well. There we go. So 1 is on the bottom and 2 is on the top. Definitely does look a little more orange. Curious to see how they're gonna blend out on the skin. They are a little bit more of a sheer formula. I have a feeling I might end up mixing the two together because it does still look a little bit too orangey on my skin, but my hand is definitely a lot lighter than my face. I do wish the shade range was a bit larger. I'm guessing that they probably will expand, hopefully, because of how much love this concealer's been getting, at least from what I've seen. Applicator's pretty simple, very flat. I did have an issue with my first one. There is a side on the applicator that's a little bit sharp. I'm not sure why, but we will see if that happens with the second one here. Okay, so I guess this next one is sort of a refill as well. It is the Bite Daytime Lip Balm with Mongo oil. Probably pronouncing that terrible, but it is their Agave lip balm. It says new on the packaging now. I think they reformulated, which is making me a bit nervous because I do have my old one right here and it's practically gone. I cannot twist it up any further. It's just about empty. But new packaging, I think, like I said, new formula. Swipe, go, repeat. For external use only, use as directed. Superfood succulents on the go. And that's pretty much what it says on the packaging. I really do like Bite lip products. I think they're great. Their lip mask is fantastic. So let's see. I think the packaging is pretty much the same. And look at that. Wow. I forgot how much comes in this. And compared to the one I have now, a lot more. So not the most exciting thing to pick up, but since you saw that I'm pretty much out of the old one, and since it's like new again, I wanted to give it a shot. You guys know, I got dry lips. You're gonna start seeing a theme with almost the rest of these. I've got 3 more products left to share with you, and the next one also from Bite Beauty. This is the nighttime lip therapy with pomegranate extract, and I'm so excited to smell this. I use the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I use that every night when I go to bed, but I did want to give this one a try just because they were sort of repackaging, like coming out with this whole Agave lip line. Wanted to try the mask as well. So nighttime lip therapy is, what else? Agave nectar, pomegranate extract, superfood succulents with unique balm to oil texture, and chamomile bergamot dream scent. It comes with a pretty good amount. Let's see what it says here. 0.5 ounces, so half an ounce, pretty large. Very similar packaging, nice and simple, sleek. I want to smell this. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at this little spatula. That is the cutest little spatula ever. Nice way to keep it a little more sanitary. Oh, and it says Bite on it. A little itty bitty. Oh, so, so cute. Oh, it smells so good. Complete opposite of like my Laneige lip balm, not lip balm, the lip mask at night, because that one's a lot more fruity, and this is, it does smell like chamomile. It's like a chamomile tea smell, which I love my tea. I think this is going to be fantastic. I'm glad that it comes with this little spatula. I had no idea. I actually broke the one that came with my Laneige lip sleeping mask because the little piece fell off the end. So I'm glad that this one doesn't have like an attachment applicator to it. It's just the little spatula on its own. Surprise, surprise, another Bite product. This is the weekly lip sugar scrub with golden sugar. So again, lip health really important to me because my lips get so dry and chapped and awful. So anything that I can try to help with that, I'm on board. It says with agave nectar and golden sugar. That's pretty much what it says. Superfood succulents in a 3-in-1 scrub to cleanse, exfoliate, and condition. Extremely similar packaging to the lip treatment, lip therapy. This one also comes with a little spatula. Again, super awesome. I can't wait to smell this. It smells like a vanilla cookie. It smells like vanilla extract. Like I am going to bake something with this. Oh, it smells so good. Again, a nice, good size. I feel like this doesn't look as gritty as some other scrubs, which I think is going to be a lot more gentle for my lips, which I'm really appreciative of. Very cool. Oh, I already made a mess on it because of the sugar scrub, but very cool. Can't wait. I think this one's probably the same amount of fluid ounces, I would guess. 0.7, so you get a little bit more of the scrub than you do of the lip treatment, lip therapy. The last product is not a Bite product, I promise. But I love their stuff. Now this, I have never tried anything in this brand, I think, besides a beauty blender. Can you guess which brand it is? Beauty blender. This is the Glass Glow Shinelighter Crystal Clear Highlighter. This was a last minute add-on item because I'm like, what? I know they came out with a foundation that a lot of people wanted to try, but when I saw this Glass Glow Shinelighter, I was intrigued. I haven't even read the packaging yet, so let's read it together. This smooth, colorless highlighting balm offers a glossy glow without any stickiness or sparkle. The lightweight buildable formula amps up any look, whether you crave subtle radiance or major high shine. Use alone or on top of foundation for a dewy effect. Dab a small amount on the cheekbones, eyelids, lips, collarbone, wherever else you want to add a little sheen. Keep away from eyes and keep out of reach of children. Very pretty in its color, very beauty blender. It looks like it has a cool sort of dropper, and I want to see what kind of shine we get. Let's... Ew, oh my gosh, can you guys see that? I'm gonna dab a little bit here on my hand. It does look very serum-like. I haven't really blended it at all, But let's take a look here. Ooh, it's not super sticky. Oh, that's really pretty. It is just like a gloss for the face. It's not super slick. I feel like it has enough staying power though that it's not gonna slide everywhere throughout the day. I am curious how it's gonna sit over makeup, but look at that shine. Oh my goodness, so cool. I know there's a lot of products like this out there right now anyway, because that like glass skin look is really in, but even all the way back here, you guys can see there's a really pretty shine. So I think it is going to be cool to play around with how shiny it can be. They say you can use it for a very subtle shine or something more high shine. I think if you were to put a powder highlighter on top of this, it would be insanity. Let's do that. That's with a little bit of Becca highlight on top. So cool. This is really intriguing to get that dewy, wet look on your skin. It comes with 0.4 fluid ounces, so it's not a lot of product, but it's also not a super tiny little bottle. Thank you guys so much for checking out my little Sephora sale haul. I know it's not as crazy big as usual, but again, trying to be good. Luke and I are getting married, which is so exciting, next year, so I gotta save money. I feel like these were all things that I'm going to get a lot of use out of, and I mean, the Beauty Blender one's probably the most fun product out of all of these because concealer, lip products, skincare, they're all kind of general, but this one I think is kind of a cool throw in. Let me know what you guys picked up during the sale. Did you refill products that you use a lot? Did you try new makeup, new skincare? What was it that was on your list and that you actually got? Or are there things that you didn't pick up that you're maybe going to pick up later in the year or wait for a gift card, etc. The sun is starting to come in on this side. I am filming at a really weird time. It is 6:30 now, and usually I try to film earlier in the day, but I actually got outside today because it was sunny. I had the day off and it's been raining pretty much every day. So the fact that it was sunny today, Luke and I went for a walk. We got Italian sandwiches. It was fantastic. I'm starting to go off rambling as usual, so please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone!